Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents chicken bread. Step 1. Activate the yeast. Add 1 teaspoon sugar in 3 tablespoons lukewarm water. Stir well to combine. Add 7 grams dried yeast. Combine well. Set aside for 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Step 2. Preparing the dough, sufficient for 2 pieces of chicken bread. Take 1½ cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoons milk powder, salt to taste. Add 1 egg. Add activated yeast. Knead the dough. Add some lukewarm milk. Knead the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. It will slightly sticky. Bring it together. Grease with oil. Set aside for 1 to 2 hours for dough to rise, depending on how warm your kitchen is. Step 3. Preparing the stuffing. 1 tablespoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon oil. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Fry for 1 minute until the rawness goes away. Add 2 chopped onions. Sauté well. ½ teaspoon cumin seeds. 3 to 4 chopped green chilies. 2 tablespoons plain flour. Roast well. Add 1 cup of milk. Combine well. ¼ teaspoon chili flakes. ½ teaspoon black pepper powder. ½ teaspoon cumin powder. ¼ teaspoon garam masala. Combine well. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Add salt to taste. ¼ cup boiled sweet corn. ¼ cup mixed capsicum. ¼ cup boiled peas. 3 chopped spring onions. 350 grams boiled shredded chicken. Mix well. One teaspoon green chili sauce. Combine well. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame. Give it a good mix. Let it cool down completely. Your stuffing is ready. Step 4. Stuffing the dough. Puncture the dough. Divide the dough in 2 pieces for 2 chicken breads. Dust some flour and flatten it. Roll out the dough into a big oval shape. Add chicken stuffing. Add cheese on top. Make cuts as shown. Make braid as shown. Overlap tightly to make braid. Seal tightly. Use 1 black pepper for fish eye. Step 5 Baking. In a tray use parchment paper to bake the chicken bread. Apply egg wash. Garnish with sesame seeds. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Grease with melted butter. Our super delicious cheesy creamy chicken bread is ready to enjoy. Cut it as per your preference. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.